Hey, welcome to our video about estate planning. So, what is estate planning? It is planning now for a time when you cannot take care of yourself and your finances, either because of your death or because of incapacity. For estate planning to be effective, it has to be understandable, in writing, and properly signed. There are several documents that most people have in their estate plan. They are a trust, a will, a financial power of attorney, and an advance healthcare directive. Your estate plan may include one or all of these documents, and each one does something slightly different. Only you can decide what is right for your estate plan. Let's explore how these documents work together to protect you and your loved ones. Let's begin with a trust. A trust manages the assets that you place into it. These assets can include any real property, businesses, or bank accounts that you own. A trustee is a person, or multiple people, that you nominate to take care of the assets in your trust. Your trust will tell your trustees how to manage those assets if you become unable to manage them during your lifetime. Your trust also includes a distribution plan. You can add family, friends, and even charities as your beneficiaries. Your trustees will be the people responsible for distributing your assets after your death, according to your distribution plan. Assets that are put into your trust do not need to go through probate to be distributed to your loved ones, which saves them time, money, and frustration. A will is another common document to have in an estate plan. A will nominates someone else as your executor to take care of the assets in your estate after your death. Like with any document in an estate plan, you can nominate the same people that you've nominated to act in other documents, or you can choose different people to be your executors. Your executor will be responsible for distributing your assets according to your wishes. Like with a trust, you can give to friends, family, and charities. However, unlike a trust, a will only comes into play after your death. It is not effective during your lifetime. Another difference between a will and a trust is that a will does not help your loved ones avoid probate. A pour-over will is a special kind of will that works in conjunction with a trust. We use pour-over wills as a backup to the trust in case something is accidentally left out of the trust. A pour-over will pours over any assets in your name to the trust. Your loved ones will still have to go through probate if you leave something out of your trust, but with a pour-over will, it will be quicker and cheaper than a full probate, and it will still honor the distribution plan outlined in your trust. The next document that many people choose to include in an estate plan is a financial power of attorney. In a financial power of attorney, you choose someone to be your agent. Agents can manage your assets that are not in your trust. Your agent can also act for you to apply for government benefits, enter into contracts, file tax returns, pay your bills, and so on. You can also limit the authority that you give to your agent. A financial power of attorney is only effective as long as you are alive. At your death, your agent loses their authority to act for you. An advance healthcare directive is the last document on our list. In an advance healthcare directive, you choose someone to be your agent and give them the ability to make healthcare decisions for you when you can no longer make them for yourself. In an advance healthcare directive, you also give your agent instructions on how to make your healthcare decisions, and these instructions can include decisions about life support, burial and cremation, pain relief, and who can visit you in the hospital. It can also include a statement of your values and beliefs. So that's a brief overview of the documents commonly found in an estate plan. By putting your wishes into writing with an estate plan, your estate plan protects you by making sure that you get to choose the person you want to manage your money and health when you cannot do it for yourself. It protects your loved ones by legally giving them the authority to act for you and by providing instructions on how you want them to act. It also instructs them on how to distribute your assets after your death. In the end, estate planning is the gift that you give to your loved ones. Thanks for joining us. If you live in California and need an estate plan, visit us at californiatrustsonline.com to start yours today.